Mm, mm. Got the shepherd's pie. Got the cheesy toast. The food turned out good. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is cooking vlog number 7, and for today's video, I will be cooking shepherd's pie or potato turbot, whichever one you call it. But yeah, hopefully you enjoy. Yeah, I got my sausage, washing my hands, getting ready. Oil the pan so it don't stick. Make sure you get it evenly everywhere. Getting ready to put the sausage in. Put the foil on top. Time to put them in the oven. Ash your elbow. Yep, getting ready to put my ground beef in the pot. Add it up in there. Just gonna add the seasoning. Mix it up. Add some more seasoning to it. Mix it up some more. Get my potatoes out. Wash them off. Now it's time to peel them. Finished product. It's time to mix up the meat again. Make sure it don't burn. cut up potatoes. Pretty much done cutting up potatoes. Now get ready to boil the potatoes. Putting the oil in there. Salt. Yeah, now it's time to add the potatoes. Mix it up. Now I'm getting ready to drain the potatoes. Get my bowl ready. Pour it in there. Clean my area. It's time to add black pepper. Other seasoning. I think it's garlic pepper. Butter. Add milk. And mix it up. Now you don't have to cook like the whole potatoes. You can use the powdered potatoes, but I think the whole potatoes taste better than if you use the powdered ones. So yeah, it's really up to you, your preference. Now it's time to check on the sausage. Almost done, not quite. Turn them over. This time I'm gonna leave the foil off. done. Then take them, put them in there, then mix them up. Mix up the last bit of sausage. It's time to oil the pan. I probably shouldn't have put a lot of oil in there, because you'll find out later why I say that. And I probably should have drained the meat with all the grease, but you'll find out why. Add my seasoning, then add my cheese on top. Some people just add the cheese on the top of the mashed potatoes, but it's really up to you, your preference. I should have used a bigger pan than this one. I feel like it was too small. Yeah, make sure you smooth it out. Put the cheese on top. It's even. Put some more cheese on top. Now get ready to cook the garlic bread or the cheesy toast. Let's see why I said I should have drained the meat first before I added it in there, but it kind of spilled over. Looking good, looking good. All that grease dripping. Looking good, looking good. Finished product. Now it's time to add the bread or the toast. Take that out. All that grease. Finished product right there. Shepherd's pie. Now we're just waiting for the bread to get done. Bread looking good, it's done, not burnt. Yeah, looking good, looking good. Yeah, so this is the final product. Shepherd's pie, looking good, cheesy. Got the cheesy toast. And shepherd's pie. So hopefully you enjoy this cooking vlog. So make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and share the video. And stay tuned for the next one. And that's the finished product right there. Looking good, looking good. Sure was. Peace.